this is Clara. Welcome back to my channel. So I got myself another Moterm planner and it's in the same size, which is pocket or A7, but it's a different leather. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. If you are excited, I am also excited because I haven't seen this planner. I haven't opened it, so I don't have any idea at all how it looks like. I've seen a lot of, Instagram posts, YouTube videos, and it's like, oh my gosh, I really want to get that planner. Like, I have to get hands on it. I mean, I just got lucky because I got it from the Amazon website again. That's why if you're seeing that, the box looks different from the other unboxing videos that you have watched, it's because, again, this is from Amazon, guys. I got this straight from Amazon and not from the AliExpress website. So let's open the box. Okay, so when you open the box, it comes with a dust bag. Beautiful dust bag. Let's open. Oh my gosh. So it comes with a fly leaf. It has like 1, 2, and 3 pockets. So here's the front and here's the back. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so I can't contain my joy. It's so nice. Okay, so I got these Moterm Croc in white, or cream. I don't know which color it is, but I really love it. It's so nice. I love the feel of it. It's so soft. So here's the front, here's the back, the side, the top, and the bottom. Okay, let me open the planner for you. So again, it has the zip pocket on the side. And then we have this side pocket. And it comes with notepads. A lot of them if you need to use it. And it has the pen loop. So it has 1, 2, 3, and 4 card slots. Then another pocket on the right side. And then on the top is this big pocket that you could put your receipts on, cash. And it's so nice. It's so squishy. It's so soft. I love the feel of it. It's not as stiff as the Filofax leathers are, but it depends on your preference, which one you want. But this one is so soft. So I want to try the feel of this one if I could put, like, a lot of inserts inside. So there you go. Let me, well, so easy to open and close it. It's so cute, and the Moterm logo is right here. I know before they don't have this one. Like, that's what I saw from other videos. Like, if you've purchased this a long time ago, but recently, they added this tab right here. But here's the rings. It comes in silver hardware. Or if you guys are interested, like, you can switch out your rings in gold hardware or even the rose gold. It's available in Amazon website. I'm not sure. Like, before, when I purchased it, I had to return it. Maybe because it didn't fit on the planner. Like, if I put my inserts in, it wouldn't fit anymore. That's why I had to switch it back or return it back to them. But I love the size of the rings for this one. Not too thick. And it's so nice. And it's so soft. You see how squishy it is? It's so soft. It's so nice. And then let me just get the secretarial, well, not secretarial, pocket. Fly leaf. What did I say secretarial? So here's the fly leaf. There you go. And I'm gonna put it in right here, where it should be. There you go. So that's how it looks when you have it on. It's not that bulky, but there you go. So if you guys love this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching and see you soon.